Good morning everyone. Once again welcome to your maths class. As you know, we were doing word problems in LCM. We will move on to the word problems of LCM. You can see one question is here, but the question is too long, so I had written down on a dotted form. I will read the question for you. Jack and Jill stand on the same tile of a tile floor. Jack starts jumping to every third tile in a row, and Jill starts jumping to every second tile in a row. Which is the first tile on which both lay? You can see the question like this. I have written down the question here. So this question is given in your book. You can read the question from there, as the question will take the whole space. So I have just written down the gist of the question. Jack is jumping on every second tile and Jill is jumping on every third tile. We have to find out the tile on which both will jump together. Okay, as you can see, this is jumping on 2. So next time he will jump on the 4th tile, right? Then 6 and then 8. Same here. Jill is jumping on every third tile. So he will jump on the next tile is 3, then 6 and then 9. So which tile they are on jumping on together is 6. Right? Because this is the first common number. It means 6th tile is the answer on which they both jump together. We have to find out this. This is I am telling you orally. Now we will find out how the 6th tile will come. For this, the first tile on which Jack and Jill both land is the LCM of 2 and 3. It means we have to find out the LCM of 2 and 3. Let's find out the LCM of 2 and 3. It's a very easy question. 2 and 3. 2 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2, sorry. 3 will not going to be divided right as it is. Now 3 ones are 3. So LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. You can see the LCM comes out to be 6. It means it is the 6th tile on which Jack and Jill both land together. So we can say that the answer is 6th tile. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Here is the second question. Find the smallest number that leaves 5 as remainder when divided by 36 and 54. We have to find out a number that has to be the smallest. Again, you know, if smallest, we have to calculate the LCM, which leaves 5 as a remainder. In these type of question, first what we do is that we calculate first the LCM of the given numbers. Okay. So what we are going to do, you can see, let's first find the smallest number that is divisible by 36 and 54, means LCM of 36 and 54. First we will calculate the LCM, then we will do further. Let's calculate LCM. 36, 54. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. 2 9s are 18. As 27 is not going to be divided, so write down 27 as it is. Now we know that 9 and 27 is not going to be divided by 2, so let's do it with 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. We have done the prime factorization. Let's calculate the LCM. The LCM of 36 and 54 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 and 3 left. 4 3s are 12 multiplied by 9, 108. Now we have find out the LCM of 36 and 54. 108 is the LCM. It means 108 is the number which is completely divided by these numbers. But we have to find out the number which is not completely divided, it leaves a remainder. So how we find that? You can see for the required number, the required smallest, why I am writing required, it means जिसकी हमें ज़रूरत है. The required smallest number is equal to LCM of 36 and 54 plus remainder. We will add the remainder to the LCM. The new number we are getting, that is going to be our required number. So let's do it. 108, remainder was 5. 108 plus 5 is equal to 113. This is the required number which when divided by 36 and 54 leaves 5 as a remainder in each case. I hope you understand this word problem. So we will meet in the next class. Till then, have a nice time.